Here we have a copper test kit. This little beauty comes with the Enviroswim system, but just in case you aren't a science genius like yours truly, I'll quickly run through how to do a copper test. Now the first thing to remember is to always check your pH levels. Because before we run the science on this copper test, we need to establish what our pH is. So grab your copper test kit out from the box and lay your eyes on the colour chart. This is going to confirm your copper parts per million. Alright, are you ready to run this test? Let's get into it. Alright, here we go. You can either follow me like a goat through the mountains, or read the instructions also found in your box. Let's start by grabbing the vial and taking a sample of your water from your pool. Fill it to the water line that's marked. Now we're going to grab the reagent and put 10 drops in. You still with me? Good. Now let's grab your cap, place it on top, flip it twice on its noggin. And what we're after is colour to take effect. We need to give a minute or so, or as I like to call it, enough time to pour yourself a beer. See you in a few minutes, folks. Look at that, our colours have developed. All right, so let's move the lid, get our colour chart out and place the vial about ½ an inch off the white. Move it up and down the chart to match it to a colour. We're bloody close. It looks like we're somewhere in between 0.3 and 0.4, which is all right. Ideally, our operating parameters are between 0.2 and 0.4, but anywhere in between here colour-wise, and we're good to go. I hope this has helped you with all you need to know about your Enviroswim system. If you need any further assistance, just give us a call.